I got box my car toy.
Okay, so you got your remote car toy today?
Huh?
It's upside down. We can't even read it. Turn it over. There you go. Now everybody can read it. All right, guys. So he's about to unbox his remote control car. And then we're going to play with it too. So hopefully you guys stick around after we unbox it so we can play with it. So you ready to go ahead and unbox it?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go ahead and get it opened.
Okay.
See? Look at that. Ooh, look at that car. See the remote control? Look at that. That's the remote. And I think that remote takes batteries, so we're going to need batteries for that. Okay, so what do you have there? So what do you have there? Okay, and then you have your car. Let's see the car. Come show everyone your car. No, yeah, that's a car. We're going to have to put batteries in there.
No, it's right here.
Yeah, both. We're going to need batteries in the remote control and then also in the car. So come on, show everyone your car. No, pick it up. There's no batteries in there. It's not going to work. Show everybody the car. Show the camera your car.
My car super bad. So it's super bad.
Show us your car. Show us.
Look.
Wow.
The car has wings.
Whoa.
Look. The car has wings.
Whoa. What a nice car. Okay, so you ready to put the batteries in there so we can get the show on the road and play with it? Okay. So we have the batteries right here. Okay. On your mark. Get set, go! Whoa. It's stuck. On your mark. Get set. Go! Mark, get set, go. Whoa.
That's right.
On your mark, get set, go.
I have to turn red.
Here we go. Let's do it again. On your mark, get set, go. Whoa.